In less than a quarter of a century, Labtech Engineering Limited, based in Thailand, has managed to establish itself as a world leader in the manufacture of machines for polymers dedicated to laboratories and pilot workshops. Roll mills, extruders, hydraulic presses, calendering or film blowing microlines and pelletizers. All production is carried out internally in these ultra-modern facilities. To achieve this, the machines are made with Swedish technology and management, together with a highly qualified and dedicated team of Thai managers, engineers and technicians. The quality department at Labtech Engineering is especially active. All machine components are tested individually and in a production context, according to the highest quality standards and in function of customer specifications. With total control over its production, Labtech Engineering stands out clearly in a market where standardization is often the norm. Here, every specific need is analyzed to provide, if required, a customized solution that meets customer expectations 100%. Labtech Engineering has also created a special laboratory where customers can come and test their machines once they are produced, like this 9-layer blowing line. As a constantly expanding company, Labtech Engineering has just doubled its production capacity. Its machines are exported around the world, particularly to the US, Asian and European markets.